Let's talk about something we experience on a daily basis. You experience it when you look at smooth and shiny surfaces like mirrors, or when you look into a liquid like water. So, what do you see when you look into a mirror or a pool of water? I guess you would say a reflection. Well, you may be right. But what you see is actually an image of yourself that is reflected by the mirror or the water surface. So, what then is reflection, and how is this image we see created? Before we answer this, let's recall that waves are disturbances that travel through a medium, transferring energy from one point to another without any permanent displacement of the particles in the medium. This medium can be any form of matter, in a solid, liquid, or gaseous phase, or it could also be a vacuum. Also, a wave can be in the form of sound waves, light waves, water waves, and so on. When these waves are traveling through a medium and encounter another medium, several things can happen. One of which is what we're discussing in this lesson, which is reflection. We shall discuss other phenomena that occur as a result of this encounter in other lessons. Reflection is the change in the direction of a wave at the boundary of two media, back to the medium it is coming from. Note here that the word media is the plural for medium. For instance, when light waves from the sun travel to the earth and are incident on the surface of a pool of water, some of these light waves will change their direction at the surface of the water, while some will pass through the surface. Note here that as the light waves travel to the water surface, they were first traveling in a medium called air, then water, on the other hand, is a different medium. The ability for a wave to bounce back at the surface between two media and return to the medium it is coming from is a property of waves which we said is reflection. This is also similar to mirrors and other shiny surfaces. When light falls on the surface of a mirror, for instance, it will be reflected back. Again, light is traveling from one medium, which is air, to another medium, which is glass. So when you look at a mirror, what you see is an image that is created by the light coming from you to the mirror. And this is similar also to what you see when you look into a pool of water. So now that you know what reflection is, you can reflect on what we've learned on this lesson, and I'll see you soon.